Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I'm very glad that you are watching my YouTube nail channel. And today I'm going to show you this special video. I'm going to tell you how to use diamond drill bits and are they important for us or not. As you know, I work with gel nails more than 10 years and I can say that the first thing in our work is preparing the nail plate, and video by video I'm showing you how to do it properly and perfectly. The matter is that a lot of nail masters don't know how to do this process in the correct way, and I decided to make more videos to show you the best ways to apply the hardware manicure. And today I'm going to tell you what drill bits we should use. Many years ago I decided to make the special store for nail masters to provide all nail friends all over the world with high quality drill bits. The matter is that we have a lot of counterfeits or bad quality drill bits in stores, which are made not from high quality diamond pieces, just pieces of iron. The drill bits that I use in my work, they were made all from the high quality diamond pieces. You can order and compare two different types of drill bits from Chinese store and from shapeofnail.com, and you will see that they are completely different. So you can look on them closer and to see that the pieces, even of the soft drill bit, the cheap drill bits, they are large and they placed separately from each other. But in high quality drill bits, all pieces of diamonds, they are very close to each other, and on the first side they look much better, and of course it influences on your work. They work twice or more effective, just because we can quickly remove the pterygia. Not only the pterygia work with the skin easily and perfectly. Of course, you should choose the only high quality drill bits from, for example, Russian manufacturers. This is the first choice of the nail master, and I think you should try the same drill bits that I use in my work. So in this video, I'm using this high quality drill bit, so you can try the same and feel the differences before using this drill bit and with the using. Don't forget to watch this video to the end and click that like button. So watch the tutorial.